Hi, today I'm making what I call a grilled avocado salad. So I'm taking the pit out of my avocado. I think this is probably going to come in at about 4 or 5 points. The avocado was 100 grams, and I'll be generous with the weight of the skin, so I'll just say that it's 5 points. How's that? So I'm grilling my avocado. I just want to get some grill marks on it. See how this one's doing. See? And then I'm going to mix my salad. For my salad, I have some red onion, got some chopped tomatoes. This is a little bit of julienne zucchini, and I've got some chopped up cauliflower and some parsley. So in my bowl, I love these flexi boards for this very thing. All in. And I've got some Trader Joe's taco seasoning. I'm going to add that in. And I've also got some crushed chili peppers. Mix this all up. It's nice and fresh. Goes very quickly. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a flat edge on the bottom of my avocado so that it sits. There we go, that's better. My veggies here are all 0 points. Et voila. How easy was that? Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.